red leaves burns to the 3rd degree. So watch what you say and how you speak it to me. I was a groovy motherfunker by the age of 3, waiting for the mothership to shine its beam on me. But in the meantime, I'll just chill with the humans, where they love to live in chaos and buy into confusion. Everywhere I go, I seem to feel like a shooby. Probably jumped to my death the way I jump to conclusions. Excuse me, are you talking to me? Cause my name ain't, and my time ain't free.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy T, aka teamus.wright, and I'm back in live with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved that look that you just seen in the beginning of this clip. And the products that I'm going to be using are Tailored Beauty's leave-in conditioner and also their oil, as you see right here. I'm just putting that on my scalp and rubbing it in my scalp. This is from their Golden Herbal collection. I'm just going to start by sectioning off my hair in the back just to form my base. You know, like my ponytail is going to be in the back. Because my hair is so thick, I have to work in sections. And if your hair is thick, a great tip is to work in sections. So I'm just going to go in with the leave-in conditioner from Tailored Beauty. And I love it so much because, as you can see, it's not like really thick, but it also moisturizes your hair really well. And I'm used to using really thick products to get my hair to stay moisturized throughout the day. So I'm just going to brush my hair into a ponytail. This is also distributing the product through my hair. So next I'm going to just go in and section my hair into 4 parts in the front, 2 on the side, 2 at the top. And I'm going to go in each section one by one and moisturize it and style it. Starting off with the top section of my hair, because this is where you guys seen the braids, and this is where I'm going to be braiding my hair, obviously. So I'm going to be going in with Adan's Edge Control Edge Tamer. So 24-hour edge control. It's really thick, which is a great thing, and it really holds my hair down. So I'm just going to go in, like I said, and moisturize this part of my hair so my hair isn't extra crunchy and dry throughout the week. So I'm just distributing the product through my hair right now, detangling it as well. And next I'm going to go in with that edge tamer that you guys seen previously. As you can see, it's orange and it's really thick. And I just apply that to my roots where the parts are, so that the braids are a lot neater.
Create the music you feel.
Once I finish the braids, now you can see me going through and moisturizing the sides, the 2 parts that I have left, and it's taking forever having to detangle my hair, so I'm just like over it. But yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the braids. I'm going to apply the edge tamer, but this time I'm gonna be using a lot more, and I'm just gonna slick that down. Since I'm not going to be styling the side, I'm just going to brush that down as well. Do y'all see how slick that is? Like, and I barely had to do anything. So I'm applying the Adane's edge tamer to the sides as well as I did to the top. Now I'm just going to go in and do my baby hairs and then show you guys the final look.
Take a peek inside your soul and see what's on your mind. It's very clear cut, there ain't no blurred lines. You a punk bitch, you a small fry. Your worst nightmare, I'm happening in real time, nigga.
So for the final step, I'm just gonna put my hair into a ball in the back, and as you guys can see, my hair is so slick and laid down. Definitely invest in this edge tamer. I'm gonna put their Instagram in my description box, so check that out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to your boy's channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment any suggestions for further videos. Peace out.